Hello, YouTubers. I am here to do a Ryan's World toy review, and we're inside Walmart, which has the contract for all Ryan's World toys. I just want the parents and the kids to know you guys are getting ripped off. These toys are toys you would buy out of the quarter machine. For instance, I would like to show you this. This is the Hobby Kids Adventure. It's the pocket watch. It's just like the Ryan's World. Okay, so let's see. We have Kobo, the panda, $29.82. $29.82 for this toy. $30 for this mystery egg, Ryan's World mystery egg. Okay, and it is $30. So what you get in it, you get a thing of putty, 3 stickers, 4 tattoos, Build a Ryan, a squishy toy, a mystery figure, and a mystery vehicle, which my daughter has, and they are all quarter machine toys. It's ripping these children off. So you approximately get around 8 quarter machine toys for $30. It's not worth the money.